In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in Bluebeam. Custom stamps are a great way to standardize approvals, signatures, or important messages across your documents. Let's get started. First, go to the Tools menu at the top. This is where you'll find all the markup and customization options available in Bluebeam. Then, choose Stamp from the drop-down choices. This opens the stamp tools and lets you access or create new ones. Next, click Create Stamp at the bottom of the stamp list. This will open a new window where you can start designing your custom stamp. After that, fill out the name of the stamp, pick your preferred color, and select a template. Once you're done, just click OK to begin customizing. Now you can edit and design your stamp the way you want. Add text, logos, shapes, or anything else your team needs to see. And that's how you create a custom stamp in Bluebeam. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!